Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the payment method, auto pay settings, and make a payment all from our new payments experience inside of Enumerate Engage for homeowners. So as you can see here, we have a make a payment button down here in the bottom left. We also have this same make a payment button up here in the top right. Both of those will redirect to our new payments experience. So let's go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here in a new tab, it opens our new Enumerate payments. So we have a few options here. On the left side, you can see our payment methods are here. In the middle, we're able to make a one-time payment and see our outstanding balance. And then on the right side here, we have a bill summary that shows us a breakdown of our balance here, and then also includes the fees that are required for making a digital payment. So to add a new payment method or to manage existing ones, we'll do that from the left side here. We can actually go ahead and click edit if we want to delete a existing payment method, or we can go ahead and add a new one by pressing the add new payment method. The options here are credit card, debit card, and bank account as well. And then we're able to save this. We can either make it a primary payment method, which will default this payment method to auto pay, or we could just save it to the account and we don't necessarily have to make it a primary payment method. Okay, and then if you look in the middle here, we're able to make a one-time payment. This number here is going to default to the outstanding balance, but at any time we can change that and put in, really any amount we want. And then we're able to authorize, acknowledge, and make a payment here. And then like I mentioned on the right side here, we have that bill summary. So it's going to give you a breakdown of all the charges here that make up that total balance. And then last but not least, if we want to configure our auto pay settings, all we have to do is click in this top left menu here, click on the settings button. And then as you can see right here, we can auto pay for full balance, which we are currently enrolled for. We can auto pay for select charges. So if I just want to pay my monthly dues on auto pay and I want to come in here and manually make the water payment, I can do that. If I don't want to do auto pay at all, that's fine as well. All I have to do is click on enroll in auto pay, hit save changes. And then as you can see here, unenrollment from auto pay was successful. And you also be getting an email to confirm that that auto pay was unenrolled successfully. And then we have a few options here. We can return to engage. We can just close out that modal, or we can click the back arrow here to go back to the home screen. So that's how you set up payment methods, make a one-time payment, and view your bill summary, all from our new Enumerate Payments platform inside of Enumerate Engage.